So hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tutormania. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Facebook account permanently. So let's get started. First of all, go to your web browser. So here if you want to continue in normal mode, it's up to you. I'll go for incognito. Now here search Facebook. Now here log into your Facebook account. So after you are logged into your Facebook account, just go to your profile, then go to settings and privacy. Now go to settings. Now here go to account center. After entering account center, go to personal details. Now here go to account ownership and control. Now here select delete or deactivation. Now select your account. Now here you have to select delete your account. Then press continue. Now it will ask you why you are deleting your account. Just tap on any option. Then press continue. Again press continue. Now here it will show you multiple options asking you if you want to deactivate your account or download your information. So just skip it and press continue. Now here it will ask you about your password, just enter it. Now press delete account. And that's it. The Facebook is now deleting your account. Be patient. As you can see, I'm logged out of my Facebook account now. So don't open your account for 16 days after this, because if you open your account in between 16 days, your account won't be deleted. So be patient. And that's it for today's video. Make sure to like and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. See ya.